A for aeroplane. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jackal. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. For queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for tiger. For umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. चलो दोस्तों, थैंक यू।